it has definitely been a minute, okay, but I'm back. I was like, I got stuff to do, y'all. I'm kind of on a crunch time too, and I have not vlogged for you guys in a minute. So welcome, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rika, your favorite pink lover, you guys. So today is Thursday. You guys are probably going to see this vlog, this video, the same day it's being recorded. I have less than, what, 4 hours to eat and clean, because every Thursdays, for those of you guys that have been following me, I go live in my mentorship group. So if you are watching this right now and you are somebody who is looking to start a business, or you have a business, you need help with your business, you want to join a community of like-minded people, be sure to join my mentorship. It is via Patreon. So if you go on the Patreon website, type iTasty, it should pop up. I also always have the link pinned, okay? So it is a mentorship. It's $25 a month, which is what, only a few dollars a week to chat with me every Thursday on Zoom. So you get to put your camera on. If you're not able to put your camera on because some people are at work, you can put it in the chat what you have to say. You can talk, ask questions, get advice, network with like-minded people. So we got to do that at 7. Okay, and like I said, right now it's 3:31. I am currently cooking. Y'all see all them dishes in the sink? They gotta get washed. Definitely gotta get washed. I also want to get my workout in, and let me show y'all what I'm cooking in the oven, y'all. I wanted to make braised short rib, but I realized I bought pork instead of the ribs. Not the ribs, instead of the beef. Whew. Look at that, y'all. It's looking like it's already starting to fall off the bone. But I think I bought the wrong thing, because I was trying to make braised short rib, but I realized I got pork. I don't know if it's gonna make the same thing or not, because it's my first time making it. And I have an hour and 33 minutes to go. Once I have about like 25 minutes, I'm gonna start boiling my potatoes and stuff. But right now we definitely are gonna tackle these dishes. I probably should throw this in there, because we need to wash our butter dish. We need to put our salt and pepper shakers where they need to go. Y'all, I just took my nails off. Let me show you guys the nails that I am about. These are the nails that I just took off. They were so cute, so long. I love them, but I'm saving them for, I don't know when I'm saving them for, but I did take them off. This is another set, y'all. I've been becoming a press-on girly. Let me know in the comments. How do I open this? Let me know in the comments if you are a press-on girl or are you an acrylic girly. I never used to really like press-ons like that, because I do always have to pack and ship out orders. I always have to unbox stuff, so I feel like it wasn't ideal for me. But I've been learning, you know, to use press-ons. And I've learned that it's more about the prep. So this is my newest set. So I'm trying to decide. I really don't want to put them on right this minute, right this second. I might wear it tomorrow. I don't know. Because tomorrow I do got to go check my P.O. box, because I got a bunch of packages in there. And of course I got to record videos, because everything is content. But these are super cute. But let me know, are you a press-on girl or nail girl? I miss getting my nails done, y'all, but my nails be taking over 4 hours, because I be getting pink freestyles. Like for the last, I want to say 4 or 5 years, when I get my nails done, I always get pink freestyles. So I let my nail tech do what she do, but at the same time, it's sitting there for a long time. They're experimenting new things on my nails, which I don't mind, but I don't want to sit there for 4 or 5 hours when I got stuff to do. Oh, and let me show y'all these. Because you know it's always big back behavior over here. It's always big back behavior over here, y'all. I'm not even supposed to be eating these, because I went to the gym the last 2 days, but I just could not resist, y'all. So I got these brownies, right? It comes 3 in a pack. This one was so good. Mind you, I don't even like brownies, y'all, but these were so good. This one was super good. I didn't really like this one. I probably would give this one a 5 out of 10, which is crazy, because I thought from looking at it that this one would be my favorite, y'all. It wasn't. It wasn't my favorite. These two were my favorite. Now I'm over here putting like crumbs just everywhere. But we gotta tackle these dishes, y'all. We definitely gotta tackle these dishes, because the kitchen is looking a mess. It's very much looking a mess. I probably might put my brownies in this little bread box container, because that's where I have my Oreos. Y'all, I got all these Oreos in here because the Oreos was on sale. I don't even know why I have, oh wow, I didn't know I had a pack of these left. I actually like these little bites. I bought them at Costco. I actually like them. But I could definitely throw out these Doritos and these Biscoff cookies. But the Oreos was on sale, and if you know me, you know I love me some Oreos. And this is supposed to be a bread box, but I just use it for these because I'm not really a snacker. Like, I'm not really a snacker, but I do love me some Oreos. I'm gonna just put the brownie bites. Hopefully I can fit it long ways. These are gonna be so good with some ice cream. I probably should leave it out because my sister said she wanted to try them. But at the same time, I gotta clean up. Like this seasoning right here, it gotta be put away. I've been doing good with like my cabinet, like organizing my cabinets and stuff like that. I've been doing pretty good. Y'all, this is another thing. I bought this cake. So good. I'm gonna have this today for sure. This chocolate chipped ice cake is so good, y'all. Look at how much I ate from it. It's so good. So good. So now it's time to tackle these dishes. Now I do have these super cute pink kitchen gloves, but I don't know if I want to wear them. I really only like to wear these gloves when I have my nails done because you know, it protects your nails and stuff. But since my nails are off and stuff, I really don't care to have it on my nails. So we're just about to wash these dishes without it because I'm trying to be grown, y'all. I'm trying to be grown, and being grown means that you cook and wash your dishes in the same day. That's very hard for me to do because, as y'all see, it's so many dishes in this sink because I be using so much stuff to cook. Like, I use my cutting boards, I use everything. So, and I made breakfast. Today for breakfast, I had eggs, bacon, and Oreo pancakes. So, I'm also trying to be grown when it comes to my laundry. I do laundry and fold my clothes in the same day. It's very much a task. As an adult, I don't know how my mom did it when I was younger, for 3 kids at that. I don't know how she was doing all that laundry, ironing clothes. I don't know how she did it, y'all, but she did it. So I live alone, so there should be no reason why I am not able to cook and wash my dishes. So let's check the time. Okay, y'all, it's currently 3:39. So my goal is to try to get these dishes done in less than 20 minutes. Do y'all think I could do it? So let's see if we could tackle this in 20 minutes, and let me know in the comments, what are your summer plans? I really didn't have any summer plans this year, mainly because I went on 2 trips back to back. So for June, I went to Colombia for my sister's birthday. For my birthday, I went to Grenada. It was so much fun. That was definitely my top trip, okay? That was my top trip. We stayed in the chairman's suite. 10 out of a 10, 1,000 out of 10, okay? That was my best trip to date, was Grenada. So I went to Grenada. I am going to Dallas in not a few weeks. I'm going to Dallas soon, which is crazy, but I don't really count Dallas as a trip because Dallas is somewhere that I used to live and my family lives there. Well, my parents live there. I don't got no family there, but my parents. But I do gotta go to Dallas. And also, you guys, if you are somebody who was asking me for shades, the sunglasses are on the website. They are coming off the website next week. So make sure you get your shades, because shades is not a permanent item on my website. But itasty.com, if you're watching this right now and you're looking to start a business, ebooks, everything is on my website, itasty.com. The link will be pinned. But the shades are currently on the website. They will be coming off next week because I'm going next week. That's crazy that the time has flown. But as soon as I go, it's getting y'all shades. straight from the airport, shipping out orders because I have other stuff to deal with my vending machines and stuff like that on that trip. So make sure you guys get your shades. But other than that, I don't have no major summer plans. It's still Cancer season, of course. We're still trying to be outside. But I'm also a homebody. So I feel like the only time I come out of hibernation is when it's Cancer season. And other than that, I be at home. I be at home and then I come outside. But hopefully I'm supposed to have plans this weekend because my friend did say she was trying to make plans for this weekend. I'm supposed to have plans tomorrow too, but we'll see. But let me know in the comments, what are you spending your summer doing? Are you taking any trips this summer? Are you working? Are you outside? Let me know what you are doing. So I'm gonna finish up these dishes and I'm gonna check back in with you guys when I am done. So I finished washing my dishes. So now I'm about to make me some lemon water. I try to drink lemon water every single day. And I got it in my super cute Barbie drinking glass. And how cute are these heart-shaped molds, y'all? I've been loving using these because at first, like when I had moved into this house, it came with a fridge, which is crazy because my other house, I had to buy everything. The house came empty. The house came empty. I had to buy my own blinds. I had to negotiate the I think I negotiated the blinds and I negotiated the garage opener. So for this house, I got the garage opener on my app, but it actually came with a fridge. Even though it's a fridge, you know, that doesn't have the ice maker, I was saying that I'm probably going to get my own fridge freezer that has the ice maker. But now I'm kind of like, I like this because my other fridge was huge, okay? It was very, very huge. So I'm like, you know what? I love like using these pink heart-shaped molds. So I don't know, maybe eventually I might get a fridge freezer with the ice. But I've been loving it, and I have this super cute water filter. Let me flip the, you just press it twice and the water comes out. So I've just been loving, I do drink bottled water also, but like when I'm at home, I just love using it and it gives like picture vibes. So we are definitely gonna try to drink 2 glasses of this today. I already drank a glass. But yeah, and y'all, I also checked on the food in the oven and it's looking good. I can't believe I forgot to even show y'all this, but this is this casing I got from Temu because I have a pink, white, and gray aesthetic going on in my house. So it's a light up display. I'm not gonna put the lights on right now, but I don't know what I should do with it. Like, part of me is wondering if I should, do y'all think that the purses will look good in there? I don't know. Like, I brought out 3 purses to kind of see how it would look. So I don't know if I want to move it to my beauty room and make it a purse display because it does have 4 shelves. And I've honestly always wanted to have a shelf for my purses because I feel like my purses are kind of all a mess. Like, kind of maybe turn them sideways, you know? So maybe have like my pink purses in here. That way I can see all of my purses. I'm kind of thinking that's the route I want to go. But then part of me is also thinking if I should do like a pink display because like I have like my letter R's. I have my Rose Forever like roses. I also have like my book stack, my clock. So let me know in the comments, do y'all think it should be a purse display or should it be a pink display? Because if I'm gonna do a pink display, I gotta go find like pink stuff to put in here. But I think I like the purse display better because right now, y'all, it's in my living room area, and initially I was gonna have it over there because that's where my Christmas tree was, and I do have another display as well that's white, but y'all, I don't know. But I'm also in no rush, but I think I like this better. It's just a matter of figuring out where I want to put it in my pink room because I have the pink closet and stuff. Let me go show you. We're in my beauty room slash office slash content room, and like I have this rotating shoe display, so maybe I could put it right there, maybe, y'all, because then I also have my business stuff over here. So I don't know, but it's like I love how I have like my clothes, but I feel like up here is just looking a mess. But then it's like, okay, so what should I put up there? Like, you know, so if I do decide to do the shelf display, if I kind of like put it here to the side, I feel like it will kill the vibe, because you would have to like actually stand over here to see it. Do y'all get what hopefully y'all get what I'm trying to say, because I'm a visual person. So without me having the stuff right here, hopefully y'all could like understand what I'm trying to say. But I feel like a purse display would be cute, because I do have so many purses, and then I have my regular purses that are not pink in my closet in my other room. Or maybe I should put it in my other room. Maybe I should put it in my closet in my bedroom. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, but then it's like I would want my pink purses to be here, y'all. I can't figure it out. Exactly why I don't be doing stuff, because y'all, I swear I am so indecisive. I could never decide what I want to do. I can never decide. So I need y'all to help me. I need y'all to help me decide. But right now we are about to work out. This is my pink at home gym area. So let me know, do you guys want to see, like, you know, more pink lifestyle videos? Like the day in my life videos? Do you guys want me to keep you guys updated on what I decide to do with the cabinets, what I decide to do in my content room? Do you guys want me to vlog it for y'all? Let me know. But this was just a quick little like life update check-in video for you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you watch this video all the way to this point, so I know that you are actually a true supporter and you watch my videos all the way through. Comment what is your favorite dessert or favorite type of cake. Mine is tres leches. So comment that so I know that you're actually a true supporter. If you want to start your business, follow, join my mentorship. That's $25 a month. All links will be pinned. And I will see you guys on the next video.